So let's say I have to type A, B, C. So A, B, C. Now before cutting, my suggestion to give a space and then go and cut. So that way it comes a neat cut after C, otherwise the cut would be right next to the C, which won't look good. And it comes with a neat separation there, so it's easy to separate the label from the sticker cover. Yeah, overall I'm happy with it. I would have been happy if I had got another color as it was advertised. I got 2 blacks in red instead of blue, red and black. Yeah, but it serves my purpose. Thumbs up.
I've seen a lot of reviews complain about that clear line or a mark after you cut the label. So you start with space. We're just gonna do A, press down hard, B, C, you go space again, then you cut. And you'll see this line right here, which if you just do it like that, it looks annoying. And then it'll be hard to peel off. But if you bend it at the line, like so, then it just pops right out.